Alright guys, so we are going to go and play with the dogs again. This time we're going swimming, and I have this with me so I can actually record them while they're swimming again. So my hair is going to get messed up. I put some gel in it, but I'm ready to mess it up again. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright, so I'm back at the house and we are going to go swimming now. Get your jump. Hey Ethel. Oh! Oh! Go big or go home. Where's Becky? Oh, she's laying down at the end. Hello. This is day 5 of no food, water, or shelter. Come here. Come here, cutie. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hi. Hi. Come here. Come here. You want to lay down with me? Okay. Hi. Hey. I love you too. You're so cute. Wanna go back in your tunnel? I thought you were gonna lay with me. If you guys are wondering what protein powder I use, I am using Arbonne's protein that she has provided me with.
Oh yeah.
I didn't know about this company until she started selling their stuff